Please, if you are new in this channel, you can do us a favor by subscribing, like this video, and also comment.
Do you come with two teachers?
Jesus is Lord.
You were not informed too?
Hey, ayé mi tèmi bá mi. Funke,
Continue.
you will move out. You will move out of this house.
No problem. There is God in everything we are doing.
This is what you want to use your life for.
Those bloods that are sharing in Bronu will answer.
You will end up in McDonald's.
What of two teachers, WAEC, what of two teachers that can tell us that they conducted that exam? Do you come with any?
I see, I saw.
Principal? No too.
Jesus!
You only you waka come. Okay.
You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE, no A-level.
Will you keep quiet? Child, there is God. Oh. The bloods we are sharing, there is God. Oh.
Ha! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this.
God will see us.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Now the first lady is calling you. Come, I want to help you.
Run.
Yeah.